What's going on, Algebra 1? We have 3.4 notes today, working with arithmetic sequences. So we have a table right here of some points: 1, -7, 2, -2, 3, 3, 4, 8, and 5, 13. We just care about the y values on this table. So how much are we going up by or going down by for every single term? So to get from -7 to -2, we're going to add 5. We're going to add 5 again to get to 3, add 5 to get to 8, and add 5 to get to 13. So since all of these are going up by 5 every time, it is an arithmetic sequence or an arithmetic sequence because they're going up by the same thing. And what is the common difference that's represented by the letter D? That would just be this positive 5. So D equals 5 because that's what it's going up or down by every time. Here in this second example, we have the list 3, -1, -4, -8, and -12. What are we jumping by every time? -4, -3, -4, and -4. So since these are all not the same number, we have this -3 in here. This is not an arithmetic sequence or an arithmetic sequence. Why? Because we're not going by the same number every time. There is no common difference. Here in this list, we have 27, 30, 33, 36, and so on. We're going to represent the first term by this A1. So when you see A1, that's just asking what is the first number in the list? Well, our first number in the list is 27. D represents the common difference. That's how much are we jumping by every time. That's +3 or a +3. So our D equals 3. They're going to ask you on Savas what this A1 is. They will not ask you what the common difference is. And then when they ask for the recursive form, that is A of n equals A of n minus 1 plus D. Well, we know what D is. We just literally have to write A of n and A of n minus 1. And to do so, to get the little small numbers underneath, you're going to hit A, and then you're going to hit the underscore button, so shift, and then the dash button, and you'll type in your n, and then you'll right arrow out of it. My bad, I actually hit the right arrow. So A of n equals A of n minus 1, and that minus 1 is, it's subscripted, so it's with the n, so it's n minus 1 in little letters on the bottom. That's just shift and dash, and then plus D is like normal. So for our equation, our answer, they will actually ask you, what is the recursive form? They will give you A of n equals, and you will plug in A of n minus 1 plus our common difference is 3. We just found that out earlier. Last thing we'll find out is the explicit form. So a new equation, A of n equals A of 1 plus n minus 1 times D. We just plug in what we know. A of n equals, the first term is 27 plus n minus 1. You don't need to plug in anything for n right now, times D, and our D is 3.